Rich forever.
Good afternoon, my viewers and my subscribers. You know, it's a boy Rich Forever here, and you know, come to show you this Baphomet sword that the Jamaica Defense Force found yesterday on their grounds. You know, discovered duplicate during road works. You know, yeah, digging up, building a new gate. So, this so they really come across Baphomet sword. So, we go on to Google, look it up, check it out. Information that we were given that it unleashed a lot of deaths, you know, misery, sorrows, sickness, you know, accidents, you know, just to make you uncomfortable, your life miserable. You see it, and just after finding it, the soldiers decided to take a picture just to show the public what's really taking place, you know. This is not nothing normal, you know, peeps. It's not a man-made thing, you know. You see me, I say, right now, there's a lot to come, you know, on our island, Jamaica, you know. So all we need to do right now, just keep on pray, you know, ask Father God for him guidance and him protection, him wisdom, him knowledge, you know, him courage, you know, to seek us through these rough times right now, you know. Right now the ending is near. Up top, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know, hit the red subscribe button, click the notification bell to be notified when a new video is out, you know. Comment, like, share. You know what the thing goes. So, bang.